A history of Chromperfect and a guide to Chromperfect compatibility with Windows versions. Chromperfect has been in continuous development for more than 40 years. The first Chromperfect system shipped in 1982, and since then, operating systems have evolved dramatically, from MS-DOS through early Windows to Windows 11. What hasn't changed is a core engineering principle. Every major Chromperfect version is designed, built, and tested for a specific generation of Windows. That relationship is deliberate, and it's central to stability, data integrity, and long-term support. Chromperfect was founded in 1982 by Jeff Justice, with the first system shipping the same year. Before starting his own company, Jeff was the first employee of Nelson Analytical in the early 1980s, where he served as chief engineer for the widely deployed Nelson 2600 series chromatography data systems. When Nelson Analytical was acquired by PerkinElmer, Jeff took the opportunity to build an independent chromatography data system, one focused on robustness, longevity, and disciplined engineering. That company was Justice Innovations Incorporated, and its first product was Chromperfect. The earliest Chromperfect systems were developed specifically for MS-DOS. In total, 6 distinct versions were released for DOS, and it was during this period that the core integration and calibration algorithms were established. Many other design principles established during this era still exist today. Around 1992, Justice Innovations introduced Chromperfect for Windows version 1.0, representing a world first in bringing chromatography data systems to the Windows platform. The term Chromperfect for Windows was used through versions 1 through 3 and covered platforms such as Windows 3.1, Windows 95, Windows 98, and Windows NT. By this point, MS-DOS was no longer widely used in laboratories. The old DOS products were retired, and Windows became Chromperfect's exclusive platform. Going forward, the term Chromperfect for Windows was dropped. During the early Windows years, a number of product names were used alongside version numbers. These included Chromperfect LSI and SL, for single instrument or small laboratories, Magellan as the core product, and Voyager or CS for client-server installations. These names reflected deployment models rather than software generations, and are mentioned here purely for historical reference. Following Jeff Justice's retirement in the late 1990s, the company continued as Justice Innovations, doing business as Justice Laboratory Software. Under new management, Chromperfect progressed through successive Windows generations. Versions 4 and 5 were designed for Windows XP. Version 6, marketed as Chromperfect 7, targeted Windows 7 and Windows 8. Version 8 was designed and validated for Windows 10. Throughout this period, the company remained headquartered in California, and the core design philosophy remained unchanged. In 2025, the business formally transitioned to Chromperfect LLC, with operations moving to New Jersey. This transition saw the first major rethink of Chromperfect's licensing model in decades. Older product structures based on installation size, such as small lab, client server, and enterprise editions, were retired. A simpler and more flexible model was introduced, where each Chromperfect CDS license includes a single instrument connection, with the option to add additional connections at the time of purchase or later. This change simplified the product range, allowed more flexible system configuration, and provided a clear expansion path as laboratory layouts evolve. Each major Chromperfect version is developed and tested for a specific version of Windows. Older Chromperfect versions are not tested on newer operating systems. As a result, it is common that when upgrading Windows, a Chromperfect software upgrade is also normally required. As customers often have many different Chromperfect systems running in their lab, it is important to point out that mixed major Chromperfect versions on the same network are not supported. For this reason, systems operating on the same network must be upgraded together to maintain consistent software versions. Today, all new systems ship with Chromperfect 10, designed and actively developed for Windows 11. Chromperfect 8 remains supported, but is no longer under development. All older versions are not compatible with Windows 11, are no longer supported, but can be upgraded. Chromperfect has consistently led the evolution of chromatography data systems, advancing new capabilities while maintaining long-term stability. From MS-DOS to Windows 11, every Chromperfect generation has introduced new innovations and industry firsts, setting the direction for chromatography data systems while ensuring long-term data integrity. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you would like more information, please visit our website at www.chromeperfect.com, where you can contact our team.